Have you ever thought about sharing your technology on YouTube or even just making side income? I'm a developer and YouTube changed my life, even though I have less than 3,000 subscribers and I'm not monetized. I'm here to share with you 6 reasons why creating a YouTube channel could be your next big move. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful and inspiring tech content. So first off, YouTube is a very good way of sharing your knowledge with the world. I started this channel so I could share about Web3 and blockchain technology, and I've received messages from persons who told me that they got a job after watching my video tutorials, which taught them how to code with popular decentralized technologies. Things like that make my day, and I would say the number one reason why you should start a YouTube channel is the fact that it's rewarding. Secondly, having a YouTube channel is also a great way to build up your personal brand and it can open you up to opportunities that you never thought possible. It's a great addition to your resume. And on top of that, it's really great for potential employers and clients because they see you as someone who's an authority in your field, as well as someone who's very communicative and speaks well, which is a great addition to any team. You can stand out amongst other developers who are normally seen as introverted, even if you are introverted. The third reason is actually my life hack. You know, as a developer, it feels like every day there's something new and that you are slipping behind with your skills. Well, when you teach something, you get to learn it twice. On YouTube, you'll be creating content maybe weekly, monthly, and therefore you get to keep up to date with what's happening because you want to bring fresh content to your audience. So creating a developer channel is actually a great way to learn and a great life hack because you should always be a lifelong learner. If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a thumbs up. And if you were to create a tech channel, what would be your channel's focus? I mentioned that I'm not monetized, but yet still I'm able to make over 5 figures on this YouTube channel. And honestly, I could have made more, but life was lifing and I took a break. But ultimately, there are so many sources of income that you can have from a YouTube channel. So, you know, the famous one is YouTube ads, that you get that revenue when you're monetized. You can also get revenue from sponsorships, launching a paid course, freelance work, and any creative idea you have, like a digital downloadable, etc. I actually made my first dollar on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers, so don't think that you have to have a massive channel to be able to make money on here, because once you put yourself out there, there may be somebody who's interested in the work that you do. Fifth, creating content is not only fun, but you get to grow in ways that you probably wouldn't imagine. With the age of AI taking our jobs, helping us with our coding, we really need to define our edge as a developer. And creating a YouTube channel has definitely helped me level up my skills. For example, confidence about public speaking, just better communication skills, my ability to learn quickly, which is needed as a developer for sure, the ability to fail and be okay with it, as well as marketing, content creation, and content strategy. Learning these skills can also open you up to other roles such as developer relations engineering, sales engineering, developer marketing, and more. If you are looking for a change in your career because you're a senior developer and maybe you've been coding for a while and you probably feel like it's a bit stagnant, I definitely recommend this. Or even if you're a junior engineer, I still think that creating a YouTube channel will help you with your growth and even help you create a portfolio immediately that employers can see and can see that they're knowledgeable on the topic. Reason number 6 is it actually opens you up to jobs as well. People see you online, see your skills, and they may send you messages asking you to work with them. And I think that's really a hack as well because we know the job market is not easy. So share this video with a friend and also subscribe to this YouTube channel to keep up with the trends. If you have more questions about creating a YouTube channel, then I'll chat with you more in the comments.